To complete this setup, you should be Confluence and Jira admin. So first of all, let us see uh, how it works in terms of Confluence. So as a first step, you will have to install ARNR Confluence Helper app. So for that, you can navigate to Settings as Confluence admin. Then go to Atlassian Marketplace. Click on Find New App, and here you can search for the automated release notes and reports helper for Confluence, right? So this is the app. Currently on my instance it is added, but of course if you have not already installed, you will have an option to add it. Once you install it, it will show you the relevant notification about the successful installation, and the first step is covered here. Once the helper app in Confluence is installed, let us get back to Jira. Under the apps menu in the left navigation, click on app settings. So this app settings option will be available for you only if you are a Jira admin. Now I'm clicking on app settings. It will take us to apps admin section. Once admin section is loaded, you will see some tabs here. In these tabs, navigate to integrations. If you are integrating Confluence for the first time, you click on this add Confluence instance, and as soon as you add it, you will see a new Confluence section is added here. Here you have to add a Confluence connection name. So you can add any name here for the identification of your Confluence connection. Then you will notice that it has the Confluence URL. You need to ensure that this Confluence URL is added with /wiki when you are setting up this integration on the cloud app, and click on connect your Confluence instance. Since on this instance I already have Confluence added, I can see the update account. So in both the cases, the steps are going to be same. For the first time integration, you click on connect your Confluence account and complete the authorization. Even if you have already done that integration and you just want to re-establish the connection, you can click on update your account. Once you click on update your account or connect your Confluence account, you will be redirected to a new tab where you have to select the appropriate instance, right? So in my case, if you see here, this is my instance. I'll select that particular instance here and authorize that connection with by clicking on accept. Once this is done, we are halfway through in terms of integration. Now you will notice that we we have another option which says regenerate token, right? So when you are doing this integration for the first time, you will see generate token option. In both the cases, steps are again same. Now in the first step, when we connected or updated the Confluence account, we established first level connection, which is between Jira and the Confluence. Now we are also establishing this same connection for the helper app as well, right? So when I click on regenerate token, or for the first time, when you are doing this integration, you will have generate token option. You get this token here, you copy that token and go back to the Confluence instance, right? So you need to be, that's why I said you need to be Confluence and Jira admin in this case. Now, as a Confluence admin, click on settings. Since you had already installed the helper app, under the configurations, you will see ARNR app here. So configure ARNR Confluence helper app option will be there. Many first time users get confused with this particular step here. and they end up updating this token within Jira Manage Apps. But please note that you have to come back to Confluence, and under the configuration, you need to click on Configure ARNR Confluence Helper app and click on Add the token for the first time integrators, or update the token if you have already established this connection. And you have to paste that API token or the generated token here and click on Save. Once this is done, to ensure that you have done the integration properly, what you can do is you can go back to the app. So again, I'm back to Jira, and under the apps, when I click on Automated Release Notes app, we see the Help tab, right? You click on Help tab and check the connection status. So here you can see that Confluence connection is connected, ARNR Helper app is connected, which means you have successfully completed your Confluence integration.